Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris Adam. I'm a self-taught singer-songwriter for a couple years now, a little longer. And I've been a trucker for 13 years, an owner-operator for a few of those. Now I'm a company driver, part-time, getting ready to retire, so I'm really excited. But I just wrote a song here with trucking in mind, and anybody that's over the road knows exactly how difficult it is. Not only dangerous, but really stressful on families. I've had friends that have ended up in divorce because of it. So yeah, I just wrote this song and would like to share it with you. So stick around and have a listen. Did I set my sights too high? Do I expect too much? It's not easy to forgive myself out here chasing success. Now heaven's called your name, and I'm left alone. I only wanted the best. My intentions were nothing less. And I'm on this open road, carrying this heavy load. I got the devil on my chest when I only wanted the best. Baby, I'm sorry I wasn't there, but do you know how much I cared? I should have been there instead of behind this wheel. Yeah, instead of behind this wheel. That's it. Just wrote this thing a few minutes ago and wanted to share it with you all. So if you like it, leave me a comment. And yeah, I got a new album out. It's on Bandcamp. It's called I Just Want to Sing. So if you go to bandcamp.com, put in my name, Chris Adam, I think you'd really enjoy the album. And I'll try to post a link. I'm not sure. I haven't done that before, but I'll give it a shot. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would really help me out. And if you're out on the road, be careful. And, I wish you all the best with your family and your loved ones. They all care for you, I'm sure. And so get on home safe. Peace, everybody.